Hey everyone, so this is the Creative Nails collab. So today we are doing St. Patrick's designs because it is St. Patrick's Day. So happy St. Patrick's Day everyone. So these are the colours I'm going to be using today. So this is like a it's not pink, but it's not a nude. It's hard to describe. And this is the green I'm going to be using as well. So yep, I will stick some music on as always, and yep, I have cut a lot of this out because yeah, some of it was very fiddly. So yeah, sit back, relax, and I will come back soon. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is the design nearly finished, so I'm going to apply the top coat now. So as I said, some of this is really fiddly. So yeah, I had to cut a lot of it out, otherwise it would have taken ages. So I'm just going to apply the top coat and then just apply some gems onto the thumb as well. A lot of this stuff is from Charlie's, striped tapes from Charlie's. The yeah, I think actually near enough all of it, apart from the, oh, hang on 1 minute. Oh, sorry about that. I had to sneeze. I've got a really bad cold. So yeah, apart from the green gems, everything else is from Charlie's. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this top coat and I use a brush just to brush it up, and yeah, just add the final bits. Okay, let me know what you think. I actually really like how this turned out. I would definitely wear it myself. I think it's really nice. I couldn't decide which way I wanted the nails to be, so I've posted 2 different pictures. I like the first picture that I post. I like it that way. Well, everybody did a fantastic job once again, and happy St. Patrick's Day again, everybody. I hope you all have a great day and great time celebrating. Just be careful, and yeah, please check out the playlist. It will be in the description box, and don't forget to head over to Instagram as well and check out the hashtag, and yeah, just let me know your thoughts down below. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. Please give this video a thumbs up, and yep, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.